Hello, guys and gals. Welcome for another day and another tutorials on what if you want to make a mock-ups. Yeah, of course you can make it's easy, but here we are with another amazing tool. It just in within seconds you have something ready in a different styles, shadows, backgrounds. Let's get to it. I'm looking forward to this book and it's coming out in May. Let's make a mock-up for it. Next up, twin. Right there. Look at this. It's all ready. It's already showcasing that you have a full desktop kind of layout. And you click on right, it'll change. Look at this. Look, look at this. Uh-huh. Look at this. Amazing, amazing. You can just lay it out like that. And another piece is that you can, if it's showing curves on the corner. So let's start from the top. Style. You want to stack it up. It looks like a book. Or you want to create a shadow kind of in the background. It may not look like a book though, but it's something in the background. So you can create have border, different kind of borders, and then you can change the corners, curves, rounds. It depends on what it is that you're trying to do, and the shadow, how far or closer you want. You don't want a shadow or hard shadow, and the position where it's you want to keep it on the top, bottom, center, and you can change the position up and down. This is just the screen type. Then you go into a browser mode. So it's look like a website, right? And right there. So you can see. And whether you, same thing, you can position it far or near. Let's say you want to change into a phone plus, iPhone Plus, I should say. And then other things. Look at this. It's just amazing. MacBook. It depends on your artwork how it's going to be, but it's very, very quick way to get it done. And I love this one. Absolutely amazing. This is just, it sets up right there. You can zoom in and go back to your positioning, and then here you can change it. Now, next thing, frames. It has all of these frames formats are built in, which is, I'm going to go right into it. 16 by 9, 3.2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, 1 and 1, 4 by 5, 2, 9, 6. Who doesn't like this, right? And then you have Instagram already made, Twitter, and Pinterest. Any of these kind of things, you can pick whatever is your style you wanted to create as, and then you just put it up once, and then you are there. And now you want to have it transparent, you can have transparency. Here you have two of these. You can drag and drop another picture there. Three of those. So different styles, and it's just an amazing, amazing thing how you can do it with the different mock-up of things. You can change quickly the background if you like a different background and you want different one, or something like this you want to do, or something like this. It's just an amazing, amazing tool what you can do. And at the finally, once you're done with it, you can definitely go to your, at the buttons right here, you can click on copy to clip as a TIFF, or you download this as a PNG file. Then it is called shots.so. Check it out.